Today, we're taking a look at a Chinese baby cradle with a motor. Here we have the manual, and further down, it explains how many springs to use based on the weight. On the back, there are some instructions for hanging the motor. Additionally, we have a remote control. A power supply, and the motor with its control unit. If you're already familiar with the motor, please share your thoughts in the comments. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments as well. The motor plate is made of metal. Here are the 5 provided springs, which are connected with a cord between the 2 hooks on the inside. I assume this is a safety feature to prevent the counter plate and the baby from falling to the ground if a spring breaks during swinging. This is the metal counter plate. Two hooks for hanging the cradle, and a spare cord. First, we need to attach the springs to the motor plate. I'm using the 3 springs specified for a weight between 6 and 9 kilograms. Once one side is done, you can move on to the counter plate. The springs must be attached so that the holes in the motor plate and the counter plate align. Next, we connect the pull cord to the counter plate. Then, connect the motor to the power supply, and attach the motor plate to the ceiling mount, door mount, or cradle stand. I'm using a door mount from the company Nanomo. For the test, I'm attaching one of the provided hooks to the counter plate. As a weight, I'm using a backpack with 5 kilograms. If you plan to let your child swing in it, I would advise against using these hooks, as they could potentially come loose while your child is swinging, causing the child to fall to the ground. The device is switched on with the black main switch. You can regulate the volume of the music playback with the yellow switch, although there is only one melody. The red switch controls the speed at which the cradle swings. If you want to know how to make the cradle quieter and the swinging more even, feel free to check out our other video on this cradle.